Hello everybody, today we'll be installing Schedule 1, that is the most popular recent game. So there will be a link in the description below. You can copy that link and paste it in your web browser and enter it. There'll be a Google Drive link which I have created for you all. You can download this one. It is totally safe and does not contain any viruses. So you can see here it's getting installed. I've already installed it, so I'm going to show you the main one. So here's the file that I've installed. Open it, extract this file through WinRAR. So as you can see, the file has been installed, and we can open it and go to the schedule 1 folder and then run the game as administrator. Right click on it, just right click on it and click on run as administrator, and it will ask you the permission. Hit yes, and then the game will run smooth. Here here I'll show you some of my gameplay so that you can figure out that it's the latest version of the schedule 1. Here he is asking of permission for multiplayer, so allow it. Then let me show you some inside of the game. So the game has started. So at the recording it might not see very smooth and it may look like I'm stuttering, but it's because the game is running at 60 fps but the recording is at 30 fps. It's the recording is run at 30 fps, so it may look like I'm stuttering. It's not quite like that. So this is the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and please leave a like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.